In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an honest review on the Medela Harmony manual breast pump. I'm going to be assembling this pump for you guys while we talk about some of the key features included. I'm also going to be going over some pros and cons and sharing the actual sound that this pump makes when you're in the middle of a pumping session. But before we get started, I would like to make a disclaimer that I'm not a lactation consultant. If you're a new viewer, welcome to my channel. My name is Isabel. I'm a first-time mom, and I hope that my experiences and reviews can help other moms on their breastfeeding journey. So you can purchase this pump for $29.99 at many different locations such as Target, Walmart, Amazon, and buybuy BABY. When you receive your pump, it's going to come in this box right here. Inside of your box, you're going to find your pump body, your valve, and your membrane, your diaphragm, which is 2 pieces, your handle, one 24mm flange, and if you guys are looking to buy more flanges, these are called the Personal Fit flanges. 2 5-ounce 150ml bottles, 2 extra membranes, a bottle nipple and lid, 2 bottle sealing caps, and my favorite piece, your stand. Now let's assemble our pump and let me show you guys how easy it is to put this pump together. So let's begin with our diaphragm. Our diaphragm is 2 pieces. Now if you take a look up close at your diaphragm, you're going to notice 2 lines. On your neck piece, you're also going to see 2 lines. You're going to want to line those 2 lines up and click them into place like so. This is how it should look from this angle. Next, you're going to place your diaphragm into your handle. Your handle is going to click into your pump body. Now, your membrane is going to go right inside of your valve. Then you will put your valve into your pump body. Next, you'll place your flange into your pump body. Then you're going to screw the bottle down here, and then your stand will go right on the bottom. Now, I do want to talk to you guys about some of the key features of this pump. Your handle comes with a 2-phase expression mode. So what this means is that you're going to have a stimulation mode and a letdown mode. Your stimulation mode is from here. So essentially, when you begin pumping, you can pump forward for your stimulation mode. And when that stimulates your letdown, you can use the back handle, and that's your expression or your letdown mode. Personally, when I pump, I always use my expression or letdown mode, but it's whatever's most comfortable for you. I also want to let you guys know that if the standard 24mm flange doesn't work for you, they do carry a smaller 21mm flange and 3 larger size flanges, a 27mm, a 30mm, and a 36mm. A 2-pack of their Personal Fit flanges in any other size ranges for about $15, and they're available on their website or any big retail store like Target or buybuy BABY. They'll come in this box right here. Now let's talk about some of the pros of this pump. This pump is very lightweight and small, making it the perfect pump for when you're traveling. Their handle is also unlike any other handle I've ever used. It's a swivel handle that can turn any way, making it such a smooth pump when you're in the middle of a pumping session. I also really like this for if you're seated on the couch, you can maneuver your handle in any way that you want. The stand is also a really great piece for if you want to put your pump down when you're all done pumping. It's going to make sure that when you're all done pumping, your pump won't accidentally fall over and spill all of your milk. I also love that when you're all done pumping, you can turn your pump into a bottle and feed your baby on demand. But if you're not going to be feeding your baby right away, you can also turn your pump into a milk storage container and maybe place it in the fridge or save it for later. I also think that this pump suctions really, really well. I can always rely on this pump to help unclog my ducts. But my favorite part about this entire pump is how quiet it is. I'm going to insert a video clip of me actually pumping with this pump so that you can hear the sound that this pump makes. Now let's talk about some of the cons of this pump. Your pump is only going to come with 1 size flange. So I did have to purchase 2 larger size flanges, and it did cost me $15, which is a bit pricey after purchasing your pump for $30. Another con that I have to this pump is if you don't like small parts and pieces that you can lose, the membrane might be a problem for you. When I first received my pump, I personally thought that this was going to be a problem for me, but I can tell you I've been pumping with this pump for 4 months and I've never lost my original membrane. All in all, this is definitely a pump that I would recommend. This is actually one of my favorite pumps for unclogging ducts, taking with me on the go, and using when I want a good drain. I also have the Medela pump in style with the max flow, so if you guys are interested in me giving you an honest review on that pump as well, make sure to let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. If I missed any of your questions, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed my video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. Once again, guys, my name is Isabel. I hope you all have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!